How to check last activities on your iPhone. Then go to the settings and tap on it. Then scroll down until you get to screen time and tap on it. So once you are at the screen time, you see this button that says see all apps and websites. Tap on it. Once tap on that, it brings you to this interface. Now you have the week and the day at the top. So guys, there is no specific way to see your last activities on iPhone, but there's way you can walk around and see what you have been doing recently on your iPhone. The first one on the screen is daily average. As you can see that daily average is about 323 minutes, and per week is around 34% per week. Then you scroll up, you have the most used app. You see TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, NIV Bible, and others. If you scroll up again, you see your pickup daily average. You can see that I have them here. You see I have TikTok as well, YouTube Studio, phone, and the rest. So this is what you can easily do to know which of these apps are used the most on your iPhone. Then you can as well come back to the day and see how you use your iPhone daily on how you use your apps on your iPhone daily. So if you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.